Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're doing a fridge and freezer tour. What are you looking at? Go in. Okay, so let's start with the freezer. So for right here, we've got some ice packs. 4 ice packs. We got another ice pack. We got a crunch bar. Oh, I forgot where I put those. My Whoppers. Some Sour Patch Go-Gurts. Some opened waffles. Some frozen strawberries. Some more frozen strawberries. And some more ice packs. Simply steamed honey glazed carrots. Some Uncrustables. Some more Uncrustables. Some Nason's hot dogs. Some buns. Some type of ice cream. Like a yogurt bowl ice cream. Some carrots and peas. What's back here? We haven't looked back here in a while. Okay, let's see. We've got some Meat Lovers little rolls. We got this weird looking popsicle. Let's put all those back. We've got careful on those. Some potatoes, frozen potato wedges. Okay. Some microwave cheeseburgers. Some peas and onions, frozen peas and onions. Some frozen dinners. There's some more back there, a lot. And some mini ice cream sandwiches. I don't know what that is. You guys can see I'm too short for it. Behind that we've got all waffles. And we got some more hot dogs and hot dog buns squished under there. And that's it for the freezer. Yeah. Bunch of stuff. I don't know why. I got a bunch of stuff. So let's start right here. We've got some cheese, 2 containers of butter that you slice, regular butter, some crackers. I don't know why those are there. Some cheese and crackers, some vanilla flavor, some ketchup, some Butterfingers. Some stuff from McDonald's, all that stuff. Some cheese, more cheese. Some Parmesan cheese. What? Why do we have so many cheese? Tomato ketchup. Hershey's chocolate syrup. More Parmesan cheese. Caramel. Some pickle relishes. Pickle relish. Old Spice mustard, some chopped up pickles, some mustard, some more mustard, some more chopped up pickles. What is this? Lay choy, teriyaki sauce. And we've got some A1 sauce, a bigger container of A1 sauce, some tomato sauce, some vinegar, steak sauce. I already showed that. Yeah. And down here is my area. We've got some fat-free milk, Lactaid. We got one of my water bottles filled with fruit punch. We got this, it's filled with lemonade. We got an empty mustard container, ketchup and mustard and stuff. And we got low sugar Gatorade, some more fruit punch, almost like a water bottle that's frozen, and some pickles, and got a big fridge. Well, not really, but and here we have, let's show here first. Let's see here. Some cheese. We have a lot of cheeses. More cheese. Okay, so cheese. Oh, wait, now cheese. And we got some chocolate chips right behind that. put all these back. Okay, so we got some bacon back there and some uncooked chocolate chip cookies that we're gonna make later on. And that's it for this straw. And for this straw we have some Lunchable cracker stuffed with Butterfingers, ham, and we got another Lunchable. We got 2 more Lunchables right there, but they're different brands. We got some more Lunchables, some more Lunchables. Ooh, Crunch Bar. Can you see what's in there? Cool. Oh, we got some oranges and some apples. And we got some broccoli. I already showed those. We got some collard greens and some corn. The collard greens are for our lizard, Carlos. She's in there. Okay, a little big for that. And we got, wait, let's do that again. We got 2 cheeses, some more cheese. What is wrong with me? We have so much cheese. There's this cool pastry thing. It's a hot dog, but in a pastry. And it's so good. Well, I don't like it together, or in ketchup together, or in anything together. I like to eat it plain. I like to put the hot dog in a bun with ketchup and mustard, and then eat the pastry for dessert. We got some 2 waters, and well, it's a full meal. And some more cheese. Oh my god. Some milk. No, nothing behind there. Some adult drinks. Oh, there's Lunchable stuff way back there. And it's already opened. That is probably gone bad. Okay, what's next? Next shelf then. We got some eggs. Yeah. We got some oranges. Expired oranges. We've got some fresh looking strawberries. Got some leftover rice from kielbasa and chicken stir fry. Some more cheese. More cheese. We got some Danable. They're yogurt smoothie. See? We got a 6-pack over there and it says that too. It's a disky. It goes like cucumbers, carrots, and crackers. Almond Joys, they're candies. Random piece of hay. Okay. 2 big containers and a little container of Thai yogurt, some Gouda cheese. That's it. Oh no. See if you press that, the lights go out. Okay. So we have what? We got some mangoes, a peach. We got some watermelon, a mango, some grapes back there, and 2 strawberries left. Nobody wants this. Some more juicy looking strawberries. Full container, half full container of oranges, 30% less sugar. Some beans and rice. Sour cream. A little container of nuts way back here. Lift those up a little bit. Heavy. Some weird type of bread. If you put it in a toaster or microwave, it's delicious. I usually put it in the microwave for 20 seconds, spread Nutella on it, in the microwave for 10, roll it up, put honey on it, microwave it for 5, and eat it. It's delicious. 2 bags of carrots, and that's it. That's all we got. That's all we got. Look how far to go. Show that. Look how far this goes. Well, it doesn't really go that far because we got a hallway and upstairs and stuff. And this one goes back farther. Right there. Okay, that's it. Bye.